So we're going to go straight to uh, the Swagger. So our swag is here. This is our swag. So you can see this is a link, API documents. These are the documents that we're talking about. So this is how it looks like. Now I've been using it, test it to see whether it is working very well. So let me close it so that you can see very well uh, what is included in there. So we have the registration authentication and login. See all the students. This is the gate where we see all the students. So we want the post where we add the students, and this is the gate students by ID where we get the students by their ID. The student at the time, input the ID, then you get that student. So I'm going to be showing you each and everything. This is put input. We updating the details of the student, and we do this by inputting the ID of the student, and then the student is displayed, and then we update their details. So here we delete you can delete a student permanently from the database by inputting the ID, and then they display the details of that given student, then you delete them permanently from the database. So first of all, we're going to um, first already I showed you that we have users. We're going to use this test user. Yes, when you execute the test user, you can see they're already in the system. It shows here already in the system. So we're going to go to login. So when we go to login, yeah, we're going to use still the test user because he's already in the system. Um, so when we execute, so the test user will give us the token, this token that you see. This token helps us a lot in logging into the, the system. So we copy this very well without missing any. You copy it, we have to go and log into up here. We go to authentication. So here, when we want to, we input, we first write, as you can see here, it tells you enter barrier, then the token that we've got. So here, first input, we first write barrier, then put a space, then we input our token. As you can see, this is our token. So then authorize, close. So here it shows you that it is closed now. It was open before, but now it is closed. So whatever we're going to be doing here, it is it's under restriction. So we are into the system now. Everything that we add, we do, it is going to the database. So here now, for example, when we're adding a student here, we shall come and say add uh, add the student. Now this is get all students. So when we're getting all the students, this is a student that we already have in the system. So since we've logged in, we have two. So when you execute, it has to display the two students that we are already having. These are the two students we already have. So we can as well create a student. Let's create another student. Then we see if when we update, we shall be having. I'm going to put, let's say Andrew, and then we say This is Andrew Wabo Kenya. So let's leave the rest intact. Then when we update and we come here also and we load it, we load the all students. Yes, Andrew is also displayed here. So this is good. Then we go on. Yeah, we go on. So here, this is post student where we create the student. So we've created another one, who, Andrew. Uh-huh. Then we continue. So when we want to get the student that we want, you see, this is the ID that they talk about. Let's say this is copy it here. Then we come here to get the student. So you input your ID here, try it out. Then we get input the student here, the student ID. Then we execute the ID. A student is displayed here. So this is student who is displayed with Andrew, and we took the ID. Save. So when we want to update, still we shall input the ID of the student like such, and then we execute. The information will be displayed, but then it will allow us, this is the information of the student, as you can see, to allow us to edit it, as you can see. So we can put in the new information. So here in delete, you come, still you input the details and then execute. So when you put the ID of the student and execute, shows you student is deleted. So we no longer see the ID we put is for Andrew. So we no longer have to see Andrew in our database because we've already removed him, deleted him. So come here. This is all of the students. Andrew is still here, but when we execute again, when we refresh by executing again, Andrew is no more. Yes, Andrew is